Ain't no way.
Hey, how y'all doing, people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a wig review. I'm so excited because this is my first time trying this company. I absolutely don't know what to expect. So I'm just as in the dark as y'all. So without further ado, we're gonna jump into this review because I know that's what y'all care about. Quick little thing to say. If you have not subscribed to my channel, if you're not a part of the Polished fam, please click that subscribe button. Also like this video if you guys like more videos like this, so I'll know to keep filming these type of videos. Turn on that notification bell so that you are informed of all of my beautiful videos. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, y'all, and I'm back with a boom. And this is supposedly a dope wig, so we about to see. I just got this wig, so this is an official unboxing. I literally came home tonight and it was on my porch, so I'm excited. I did open the bag, but I have not opened the box. I don't know what the wig looks like, so we all about to find out together. So I came to y'all all dry, dusty, and crusty because I was so excited to film this video. So, this wig is from OMG Queen, which you probably know from reading the title. I've heard really good things about this company. I've also heard a few bad things, but I said, why not find out for myself? This wig was under $200. If you're in here for the under $200 committee, let me know in the comments. But this is what the package looked like. It shipped DHL. I literally ordered this on... I want to say I ordered this on I ordered this Monday, and I got this, and it's Friday. So it literally took about 4 days to get here, which is great. So let's take it out. So this is the packaging. It comes in this little cute box, and it says, thank you. OMG Queen, gorgeous, confident, and sexy. I like that. That's cute. So this is what it looks like. It has the brand story on the back, so if you want to know a little bit about the brand, how it got started, what they stand for, it's all here. And I will read that because I'm a type of person, I like to read stuff like that. I like to know about the people I purchase from. So I thought that was cute. Also, I like when they give us a box because I can always put my wig back in here. So it's like some storage. I don't have to have it stored away or buy a mannequin head for it. Like I can just put it back in this little bag and then put it back in the box. And that way I can keep up my wigs. I'll probably name her and write her name right here in the thing because I'm extra like that. And I know y'all think that's a good idea. I need my props if you decide you want to do that. But yeah, I'll name her and write her name in the front so I'll remember which wig this is without having to take it out of the bag. But anyway, let's get into it. So first, before I show y'all the wig, we're going to get into the specs. This is a 100% virgin Brazilian hair. I got my phone right here, so a 100% virgin Brazilian hair wig. It's in its natural color, so I didn't ask for them to dye it or anything like that. It's 20 inches long, and it's a 360 wig cap lace all around wig. It is 180% density, which I am here for because I love it when I have more than enough hair to deal with. I can't stand little thin wigs because we all know if it sheds 2 strands, like 200 and came out because the wig's so thin. And we don't need to be around here looking like patients. So that's good. The lace color is in a medium brown. I do realize that I'm light skinned, but sometimes when I say light lace, it literally is like ashy white. So I get medium brown. It does have a pre-plucked hairline, so they say. We're going to find out how plucked it is. Knowing me, I probably still pluck some more. Yeah, and it doesn't have any adjustable band. So I will be adding an adjustable band to my wig. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a customization video where I show you how I pluck the hairline, how I add the adjustable band and things like that, because I would not mind filming that for y'all. Also, I will bleach the knots because the knots are not bleached. So if you want to see a video on that, let me know, and I'll be sure to record that for y'all because I feel bad I haven't been posting, so I need to make it up somewhere. So let's get into the wig. It comes in a bag like this. On the front, it just has like what you ordered. I don't know if y'all can see that like that. So open it up. It does smell like, it smells like hair. I don't know. People be saying it smells like corn chips or something, but it don't smell like that to me. It just smells like factory. Like it came from a warehouse or something. But initially, I do love this wave. It's so pretty. So pretty. And it has like a nice little sheen. It's coming off kind of shiny on camera, but it's really not shiny. Trying to get this little piece of lint out of it. But I'm just gonna run my fingers through it to see if I get any shedding. I did get a few strands. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? But yeah, I got a few strands, maybe like 2. Do it again. Let's just see. Sorry if y'all can hear my dog barking in the back. He real extra and he feel like he gotta prove a point. So if y'all can hear him, I'm sorry. I got like 1 more from all of that I just did. I got like 1 more strand. So I mean, I'm not one of those people that think, oh, this hair is never gonna shed. I don't think any hair, and if it's real, natural, virgin, raw hair, I don't believe that it won't shed at all. So people say no shedding, no tangling. Like, what you trying to prove? Like, what you trying to sell me? Because that's a lie. Even our natural hair sheds. So I mean, it's not ridiculous shedding. So I'm fine with it. The hair is very soft. And it feels full. Like I'm holding this and it feels so full. And it's pretty, y'all. It ain't slick like butter either. I can't stand when hair is like super slick and it's like flat on my head. It's soft enough to where it still feels natural. Okay, so let's get to the inside of the wig. So we have a comb here. And we have 2 combs on the side. And we have a comb in the back. And adjustable straps at the back. And as you can see, we have lace all the way around. So when you cut your lace, you won't just cut it in the front. You have to cut the lace all the way around, which is good. Let's look at this hairline, y'all. They claim is pre-plucked. Can y'all see that? Okay. So it is a thinner hairline. I'm not gonna lie. Like, let me see if I can put my hand back here for y'all. It is a thinner hairline. It's not bad at all. But me, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna pluck some more. Just a little bit though. I'm not gonna over pluck, but I am gonna pluck it some more because I don't like when hairlines, like when they are thin right up in here and then they just get like, it gets super thick all of a sudden. I don't like that because it's not natural. That's not what our real hair does. So I probably part right behind where they parted and then pluck some more and like pluck inside here just a little bit so that it looks more natural when I part it. And I'll show y'all that in the customization video. But yeah. Other than that, I think I covered it all. I am probably gonna sew an elastic band in here, even though it is a 360 wig. Just for extra security and to make sure that my front part lays flat. I want to be able to wear this without having to apply any got to be glued or anything like that. And that's just me. That's personally, you don't have to do that. I'm pretty sure it will lay flat because, like I said, this is a pretty nice size cap. I got a medium cap size. I think if you use to like small or large, it does take an additional 5 to 15 days of processing. Most people are normal head size, so you can select medium and you should be fine. I typically have a small head, but I was like, I don't want it to be too tight and it be strangling my head and I got a headache, so I got a medium. And I'm glad I did because it seems like it'll fit. But yeah, guys, this is my initial review. So far, the hair looks beautiful. I am probably going to add some color to her because me in this dark color, we're going to take a break for a minute. And I'll show y'all that if you want to see me color her. Don't know if I'm just going to bleach it or I'm going to actually put some color in her. I'll be thinking on that tonight. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my review, and we shall see when I actually install her. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys. Stay polished, stay cute, bless somebody, tell somebody something positive, and I love y'all.